Hi friends, welcome all. In this video, we are going to discuss a question from complex analysis, and the question is asked for previous year net examination June 2018. The question is to evaluate the complex contour integration, and the question is given by the value of the integral over modulus of 1 minus z equal to 1 e raised to z divided by z square minus 1 dz is, first option is 0, second option is pi I into e, third option is pi I into e minus pi I into e inverse, and fourth option is e plus e inverse. This question can be answered in different ways by making use of Cauchy's integral formula and by making use of Cauchy's residue theorem. Okay, so we can analyze the answer through different methods, and we can observe the answers as equal and what the steps are is here. First of all, we can discuss the answer of this particular question by making use of Cauchy's integral formula. The Cauchy's integral formula is given by, let f of z be analytic in a region D. ഒരു റീജിയൻ ഡി തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആ ഡി എന്നുള്ള റീജിയനിൽ എഫ് ഓഫ് സെഡ് അനാലിറ്റിക് ആണ്. ആൻഡ് ലെറ്റ് സി ബി എ ക്ലോസ്ഡ് കർവ് ഇൻ ഡി. സി എന്നുള്ളത് ഡിയിലുള്ള ഒരു ക്ലോസ്ഡ് കർവ് ആണ്. ഇഫ് എ ഈസ് എനി പോയിന്റ് ഇൻ ഡി, then n gamma a f of a equal to 1 by 2 pi I integral over c f of z divided by z minus a dz. N gamma a means the winding number of a with respect to gamma, and the contour integral f of z by z minus a dz will be equal to 2 pi I into the winding number into the function value of f at a. Here we are given that we have to evaluate the integral of modulus of 1 minus z is equal to 1 e raised to z divided by z square minus 1 dz. If we considering this function e raised to z by z square minus 1 as a, f ആയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ e raised to z by z square minus 1 നെ എടുക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് പി ബൈ ക്യൂ ഫോമിൽ ഇതിനെ നമുക്ക് എക്സ്പാൻഡ് ചെയ്യാം. അതിൽ ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിന്റെ സീറോസ് z സ്ക്വയർ മൈനസ് 1 എന്നുള്ളതിന്റെ സീറോസ് z പ്ലസ് 1 ഇൻറ്റു z മൈനസ് 1 എന്ന് എക്സ്പാൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയത്ത് മൈനസ് 1 ഉം 1 ഉം വരും. Therefore, the singular points of the function e raised to z by z square minus 1 are minus 1 and 1. Okay, so if we treating this whole function as a function f, the function f is not analytic in the given domain D, since modulus of 1 minus z is equal to can be written as mod 1 minus z is equal to 1 will implies mod z minus 1 equal to 1. Therefore, that is a circle centered at 1 of radius 1. Okay. Here the point 1 is included in the domain in the circle C given by mod z minus 1 is equal to 1, but minus 1 is not included in this curve C, but as 1 included, the function e raised to z by z square minus 1 is not analytic in the domain D. Therefore, we can treat this as a analytic function and a non-analytic part which is given by z minus 1. Therefore, ഇതിനെ നമ്മളൊന്ന് rearrange ചെയ്തിട്ട് എഴുതുകയാണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെ എഴുതാം? Integral over mod 1 minus z is equal to 1 e raised to z divided by z square minus 1 dz will be equal to integral over mod z minus 1 equal to 1 e raised to z divided by z minus 1 into z plus 1 dz. and C is given by mod z minus 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, 1 is an interior point to the curve C. That means the singular point 1 included in the set in the curve, and minus 1 is not included. Therefore, this function e raised to z by z minus 1 z plus 1 can be rearranged as integral over mod z minus 1 equal to 1 e raised to z divided by z plus 1 whole divided by z minus 1 dz. So if we considering e raised to z divided by z plus 1 as f of z, then e raised to z by z plus 1 is analytic in the region mod z minus 1 is equal to 1. E raised to z is analytic and z plus 1 is analytic in mod z minus 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, e raised to z is equal to e raised to z divided by z plus 1 is analytic interior to C, and z minus 1 here z minus a 1 is an interior point to C. Therefore, by making use of Cauchy's integral formula, we can evaluate the complex integration of this function. By Cauchy's integral formula, we have n gamma a f of a equal to 1 by 2 pi I integral over C f of z divided by z minus a dz, where f of z is analytic in a region D. If we considering C as the region, then f of z given by a raised to z divided by z plus 1. If we considering mod z minus 1 is equal to 1 as the region, mod z minus 1 less than or equal to 1 as the region, then f of z is equal to a raised to z divided by z plus 1 is analytic, and mod z minus 1 is equal to C, a closed curve in D. If a is any point in D, the point a is given by, here we have z minus 1, therefore a is given by 1, 1 is a point in D, then f of a into n gamma a equal to 1 by 2 pi I integral over C f of z divided by z minus a dz. Hence, by making use of Cauchy's integral formula, we have this is equal to, this integral is equal to 2 pi I into n c1, and c1 is 1, 2 pi I into 1 into f of a, here the point a is 1, therefore f of 1, where f of z is a raised to z divided by z plus 1. Therefore, if we substituting the value of f of z, 2 pi I into f of 1, f of 1 is given by e power 1 divided by 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2, 2 and 2 can be cancelled, and the final answer is pi I into e. Therefore, the value of the particular integral is pi I into e. So, the answer of this question is option 2. Okay, now you can try this question with Cauchy's residue theorem, and we can analyze the answer is also pi I into e. That step is little bit of lengthier than this process, and we can analyze what is the difference by using of these two results, Cauchy's integral formula and Cauchy's residue theorem, for evaluating the integrals. Okay, so we can wind up this video here, and we can meet in the upcoming videos. Thank you.